Yawning is actually a mysterious reflex that scientists are still trying to fully understand. We yawn when we're tired, bored, or even stressed. One theory is that yawning helps cool down our brain, keeping it alert and focused. It's like your body's way of hitting the refresh button. But why is it so contagious? Well, it's believed to be a form of social bonding. When you see someone yawn, your brain automatically mirrors their action, creating a shared experience. In fact, even thinking about yawning or seeing a picture of someone yawning can trigger your own yawn. I bet you're feeling the urge right now. So next time you yawn, remember, it's not just about being tired. It's a powerful, contagious reflex. Subscribe for more curious facts.